Leader Chuck are known for their work holding solutions. Now we've dropped in to see Mark Jones, who is on the Exact stand at TIMTOS show. So first of all, Exact, what do they supply?
Exact machinery supply tilt and turn, rotating and indexing tables for CNC machines.
Okay, so in very simple terms, turning a 3-axis into a 5-axis machine.
That's right, absolutely right, Colin. Yes.
Okay, so great example is this one just over your shoulder here.
Yeah, this is a perfect example of that. We're adding the A and the C axis to the X, Y and the Z by means of a tilt and turn rotating table, rotary table.
Now the Exact ones are known for their rigidity, accuracy, speed, things like that, but we've got an exclusive, is that right?
Yeah, we have. I wanted to give MTD CNC this exclusive. We've got a new product that's being launched here. It's been in development now, I think, since the last TIMTOS when I was here 2 years ago. They were telling me about the testing that was being done on this, and it's now ready to launch, and consequently we want to find some custom in the UK.
What is it?
It's behind me here. It is adding a B-axis to 3-axis machining centres.
Oh, okay, so giving engineers more flexibility in terms of what they're machining. So straight away I'm thinking, though, looking at what sizes will it go to?
Okay, well, the way that we size it is we talk about the table size onto which you'll fit the spindle. The smallest table diameter is 200 millimetres, and it goes up in roughly 100 millimetre increments up to 500 millimetre diameter.
Now I can see it moving around in the background. What sort of swing has it got?
Yeah, you're right. It's sort of a pendulum action, and it has a plus and minus 120 degrees. So you might say it goes from 10 o'clock till 2 o'clock.
A lot longer than me then.
A lot longer than you, yes.
Okay, so you're fitting these two machines. What sort of machine? Well, controls will it work with?
It will work with any of the major controls that we see in the UK.
Right, so giving you that total flexibility.
Yes.
All right, I'm thinking then, this is being fitted to my machine. What sort of industries will it? Want to go to?
Since it's been under test, Exact have been working very closely with one of the major Taiwanese machine tool manufacturers, and they have had success in selling this into the aerospace industry over here.
Okay, so but not limited. I mean, any industry really, but great success there.
That's what I can tell you has definitely happened. But no, it wouldn't be limited to the aerospace industry. No, but that is where it's been tested and it's proved successful.
Excellent. So great little exclusive for us here. Well, at MTD CNC at TIMTOS with Mark from Leader Chuck. Anything else you just want to summarise with?
Well, no, I think we would like CNC machine tool importers, builders of the UK, that want the ability to upgrade a 3-axis machine to a 6-axis machine, to give us a shout, and let's see if we can quote and see whether it's the right product that they can offer as an option.
Excellent. Okay, so just adding that flexibility. So Mark, Leader Chuck and Exact rotary tables.
That's right. Shay.